coordinator. My meaning in Komaga on this very matter. Captain, good morning.
Morning, Sir.
Na bibi abako de minua.
We pay for him.
Ya da nyame ase. Na issue here wo forestry. Me kai say woni me aminua Ibrahim adin komo. Mo investigation so far could do saying. Ade na see and almost say national security for. Can you confirm to us say Emranti na ko hono enye national security for?
Sir John, we dey show cheerful na Sassem de Bosso Krama National Security Coordinator on crime crowd of Sassem to say our operatives and I say for the edgeman. But ain't me denying say the name of far of edgeman. That means that I'm not on top of the issues. So be identify and confirm those who were part of those things over there. Odwana party for minimum one. Various districts to be assembly year.
Timothy identify or more arrest Biana. And as we speak, you don't make any arrest.
Currently, we have engaged the party leadership in their constituency to make those people available to us. So that we can really ascertain what are the issues. The issues will be about boss watch every but I want to ascertain what are the issues and what are the allegations. Any party need to get on.
See, I can say no. Mami Musa say there na what say was more the issues ba mo ebi wo ha mo nim. No almost how on saying.
The first one has to do with some issues. Any timber eduahun sensem. The second one has to do with etuma employment on sensem. I think the quite encourage has to do. Some of them have to do with issues of mining in the forest. That I'm doing say ejuma most of the time first of all in the take your mass uncle for the timber forest because some of the constituencies one of them. We have interrogation some of those miners have the hands of the forestry officials in it. The last one is about transfer of workers at the place over there. We say commanders of one almost 8 to 10 years they have become too acclimatized with their districts. I'm going to say, the work can go on. So those are the issues that they raised at that time.
Okay. Until the air forest, is that Omo who say Forestry Commission for no atra ha man krofo be forest ni mu a Omo ye adwuma. Until benefo enyu omo free ho.
Yeah, the thing they have some of them have been complicit in some of these mining in the forest reserves. And
as the coordinator, minim it's a party process no say the city name. Wakasa as the security coordinator no. Omo officially a petition will say almost suspected some crofobia or forestry who are woman AAD illegal miners mumura forest in him one or more matana wache. These issues before some bakono. Na mama moya where party penny for name penny for more regime no mama moya where say this is what is happening
that was one of my biggest issues I mean was there who was information now you don't take action on your own. You either petition or have discussion with your leadership for you to see what they can do about the issue. And yes, you are sorry for two officers. What I say. That is my problem. Because you have a regional minister, you have a regional party chairman, you have a provincial chairman, you can relate these petitions to them, get to whatever it's supposed to be, so that the action will be taken on it. But don't take the law into your own hands and go and do that. But when you say 6 months ago, that's first. I'm paying for an amount to one business as usual, no matter what, so they feel like maybe some of the leadership don't care about the forest, and then they think that these people are not transferred. it will not help you for a fight in those areas over there.
Now, some of you money, some money party for aiding commerce or form. Is it that approach I'm used to and I say with the special case or some corner that way? Because someone maybe say the Omokoye and the city Amradia, then we can go after them. Because a party.
So we can go after them, but currently they are not. They are not. So last night I sent my team to go to the Befai Enclave. Went and cooked. I don't know where they have gone to, but I engaged the chairman. They should let them come out. Let them come, and then let's have a discussion on this issue. So that's why I'm engaging through diplomacy with the party chairman in those areas over there.
Now, Mama police are Bambi.
Oh, the police are where we are working with the police.
Good. Issues are more raising, you know. And then I'm more yafa and I'm more trying to say be official.
Issues in there. They have to bring evidence for us to proceed. Every complaint must have a complainant, and we must jot it down. Names must be given so that we can proceed on the investigation. So there, look at the Forestry for AGCR. But what I say, Akoma FM4 are engaged in this. But on the corner back, where my lead, where we should start from, it will be difficult for us to do the investigation. That's even one of the reasons why we really need them come and help us. What was it?
Okay. Permo checks. Omo pra obi.
Nobody was injured in this. I would say it was peaceful, but it was not peaceful because I saw some of them holding weapons, which was not good at all.
Yeah, I know you're concerned. A man for raising pass say 2 hours. Show and show me 2 say how many musa. Where they got guns from crowds is another question.
It's pump action guns in the move ground. Pump action guns there. They are in the market.
Wow, I see. And Mugusu are more monitor, but what check is all the offices are more locked in, or maybe be peaceful or more yomajuma.
They are all open, they are working. All of us are open and working ongoing. Since I didn't see by 2 o'clock now. 87.9. I did the case in a baby office that I'm on control.
Okay, then yes, you back on monitor. You be monitor how when you may sit here or na didn't come on. I will say one day being our studio now in your extended version. You heard the fight against Galamsey and other things in the region. Mammy from Sihana, you be your brain. I didn't come on. All right, me that's it. Thank you very much. I was your captain retired Kwame Jabari and it's in Kanona the regional security coordinator. Ibrahim